ABS injection molding technology, with its advantages of high efficiency, flexibility, and versatility, has been applied by many mold suppliers in fields such as automobiles, aerospace, and industry. This process can combine the excellent properties of acrylonitrile butadiene styrene materials with the precision of injection molding technology to produce various high-quality plastic parts. ABS injection molding technology can achieve complex designs, precise tolerances, diverse product colors, and smooth surfaces, making it the preferred choice for many industries. In the field of injection molding, ABS has become a widely used and highly sought-after material by consumers and manufacturers. This makes it necessary for manufacturers to conduct comprehensive and in-depth discussions on this technology and material. ABS plastic injection molding is a complex and multifaceted molding process, and manufacturers need to have a deep understanding of its process parameters, material characteristics, and structural design. By combining these factors with the professional competence of designers, we can fully utilize the full potential of ABS plastics to produce high-quality, durable, and long-life products to meet the development and usage needs of various industries. Would you like to know more about our company's products or services? Welcome to leave a message in the comment area. Welcome your attention, subscription, and consultation to get more industry information.